to the storage unit. This is the storage unit. Filled. We already hit. Get it out or pick it up, Ed. Let me see. Let's see what that is. Big ass jack. How much? Easily. How much you think we'll get? 200? 200. Easy. What you got? What we got? What we got here? A rolling. I don't know what the heck this is for, but looks pretty nice right here. Looks like money. We also found this little cool tricycle. Someone can go back there. Someone can steer. Should get what? 20 bucks for this? Uh-oh. We found something. Oh, what is that? I don't know. Maybe we can look it up. At least for parts. Nice. Jackpot right there. Look at that. Close that up. Jackpot. Finding that over there. How much are we getting for that?
About 45 we spent.
45 bucks. What else in here? Oh, these are little trays. Yeah, these will sell. They're like vintage trays. Somebody at the flea market paid $2 for it. Right? So far, so good. We got a lot of good tires right here. We got a whole set of these. Thread is all right. Those two are trash. And we found golf clubs. Not the best brands, but still. The little jazz, man. We actually found a PlayStation 3 game, so we're hoping we can find any video games in here.
This looks how our baby got shot in.
Yeah, it looked really good. A little vintage barber chair.
Bling bling. Where's Rick when I need him?
Another good thing we found was this little weight. What do you call this? A little bench with the weights. Where are the weights at? Oh, they're right here. Comes with the weights. We got a bunch of furniture still, but there it is. There it is. Big old shock vac. Easy. Fast sale. 50 bucks. Fast sale. If I hold it up a little bit, 100. This is the main reason that I got the whole unit. It's because of this Magnavox TV. The TVs that have the built-in DVD and the VHS go for lots of money. Check out this component. The worst part about doing all this is taking the trash literally all the way to the trash cans right over there. We're almost there. We're almost there. I can touch the back. We're about to start another business. We just found a bounce house.
Hit us up.
Hit us up. Party rentals. We're tired. It's getting dark out here. We're hungry. Had to upgrade. We had to rent a little U-Haul right here because a bunch of stuff. And we got a little trailer. We don't got the biggest, already full. And we still got half of it. So that's where we're at right now. As you guys can see, it got dark already. It's getting late. We're tired. We got a bunch of stuff. We're almost done though. We're almost done. We just got to our storage. We're already loading up. Whoa, 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 whoa. We're already loading up. Hopefully everything fits. There goes the money. There goes the money. Perfect fit. There she goes, guys. So already, stay tuned for the next video. We're gonna be selling all of this on the at the flea market 2 Sundays from now. So stay tuned for that video. And thanks for watching. Subscribe, give it a like, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace. Se va a ir.